The year is 2025. A new era of computing has begun. Its name is CL1. CL1 is not just another computer, it is the world's first commercial biological computer. Developed by Cortical Labs, CL1 represents a giant leap forward in synthetic biological intelligence. Imagine the computational power of human neurons harnessed and combined with the precision of silicon chips. This is CL1. Imagine a world where computers learn and adapt like the human brain. CL1 brings us closer to this reality. It merges the strengths of biological and digital systems. This fusion opens up exciting possibilities in various fields. We stand at the cusp of a technological revolution. This is not science fiction. CL1 is here. It is changing how we think about computing. It is pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Join us as we delve into the world of CL1. Discover its potential to reshape our future. At the core of CL1 lies a remarkable fusion human neurons intertwined with silicon circuitry. This marriage of biology and technology is what makes CL1 so unique. Imagine a silicon chip, not unlike those found in our laptops and smartphones, but on this chip something extraordinary is happening. On the surface of this chip, a colony of human neurons grows. These neurons are not static, they're living, breathing cells capable of forming connections and communicating with each other. These neurons are special. They are derived from induced pluripotent stem cells. This means they have the potential to develop into any type of cell in the human body. The chip acts as a bridge between the digital and biological worlds. It is embedded with a grid of electrodes, 59 to be precise. These electrodes act like sensory organs and communication channels for the neurons. They can detect the electrical signals that neurons use to communicate. They can also deliver electrical impulses to stimulate the neurons. This intricate dance between neurons and silicon allows CL1 to process information in a fundamentally different way than traditional computers. It's a new form of computing, one that mimics the incredible complexity of the human brain. Keeping the neurons alive and thriving within CL1 is no small feat. This is where the life support system comes into play. This system is crucial. It ensures the neurons have everything they need to survive and function. Think of it as a miniature high-tech incubator, meticulously designed to keep the neurons healthy and active. The system provides a constant flow of nutrients to the neurons. It also removes waste products. This keeps the environment clean and optimal for the neurons to thrive. Temperature control is crucial. The system maintains the perfect temperature for the neurons, mimicking the conditions inside the human body. Oxygen is vital for cell survival. The life support system ensures a constant supply of oxygen to the neurons. It also regulates the levels of carbon dioxide. This sophisticated life support system is a testament to the interdisciplinary nature of CL1. It combines biology, engineering, and computer science to maintain a delicate balance. This balance is essential for the neurons to survive and perform their remarkable computations. With living neurons at its core, CL1 requires a new kind of operating system, one that can bridge the gap between biology and digital computation. This is where BIOS comes in. BIOS stands for Biological Intelligence Operating System. It is the software heart of CL1. It is responsible for managing the interaction between the silicon chip and the neurons. Think of BIOS as the conductor of an orchestra. It sends instructions to the neurons, prompting them to perform specific computations. It listens to the electrical signals generated by the neurons, interpreting their responses. BIOS is designed to be user-friendly. Even researchers without a deep understanding of neuroscience can interact with CL1. It provides a way to program the neurons, teaching them to perform specific tasks. This is done through a Python API. Python is a popular programming language. This makes CL1 accessible to a wide range of researchers and developers. Through BIOS, we can begin to unlock the secrets of the human brain. We can explore its potential for solving complex problems. Section 5. A world of possibilities, applications of CL1. The arrival of CL1 opens up a world of possibilities across a multitude of disciplines. Its potential applications are vast and exciting. In the realm of medical research, CL1 could revolutionize drug discovery. By testing the effects of new drugs on human neurons in a controlled environment, researchers could potentially identify promising treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. CL1 also holds immense potential in the field of artificial intelligence. By studying how human neurons learn and adapt, researchers hope to develop more sophisticated and powerful AI algorithms. Imagine AI systems that can learn and evolve on their own, without the need for explicit programming. This is the promise of CL1. Beyond research, CL1 could pave the way for more advanced robotics. Robots equipped with CL1 technology could learn from their experiences and adapt to new situations in real time, much like humans do. This could lead to a new generation of robots capable of performing complex tasks in unpredictable environments. Section 6, From Pong to Progress, the evolution of CL1. The journey to CL1 began with a seemingly simple video game Pong. Cortical Labs' earlier system, DishBrain, made headlines when it demonstrated the ability to teach a group of neurons to play Pong. This breakthrough showed that it was possible to create a closed-loop system where neurons could learn and adapt their behavior based on feedback. Building on the success of DishBrain, Cortical Labs secured significant funding. Investors recognized the groundbreaking potential of their work. This financial support was crucial in allowing Cortical Labs to develop CL1, a more advanced and commercially viable version of their technology. CL1 is a testament to the rapid pace of innovation in the field of synthetic biological intelligence. It highlights the potential for collaboration between academia, industry, and investors to drive technological breakthroughs. The journey from playing Pong to developing a commercial biological computer highlights the transformative power of scientific curiosity and technological advancement. Section 7. The future unfolds, scaling up, biological computing. The launch of CL1 is just the beginning. Cortical Labs has ambitious plans for the future. They envision a world where biological computing is not just a novelty, but a cornerstone of technological advancement. One key focus is scaling up the technology. Imagine a biological neural network server stack composed of multiple CL1 units working together. This would allow for more complex computations and open up new possibilities for research and development. Cortical Labs aims to make their technology widely accessible. They plan to offer access to their biological computing platform through the cloud. This Wetware as a Service (WAS) model would allow researchers and developers around the world to experiment with CL1 and explore its potential. The development of a minimal viable brain, MVB, is another exciting avenue of research. This involves bioengineering a simplified model of a functional brain. Such a model could provide invaluable insights into how the brain works and accelerate the development of new treatments for neurological disorders. Section 8. Ethical Considerations Navigating Uncharted Territory. As with any groundbreaking technology, CL1 raises important ethical considerations. The idea of creating artificial systems with human neurons necessitates careful reflection on the potential consequences. One pressing concern is the question of sentience. As these systems become more complex, could they develop some level of consciousness or self-awareness? While we are still a long way from such a scenario, it is crucial to engage in open and informed discussions about the ethical implications of creating increasingly sophisticated synthetic biological intelligence. Another important aspect is ensuring the ethical treatment of the neurons used in CL1. While these neurons are not part of a conscious being, it is essential to treat them with respect and avoid any unnecessary suffering. This requires establishing clear ethical guidelines for the development and use of biological computing. Addressing these ethical considerations proactively is crucial to ensure that the development of CL1 and similar technologies aligns with our values and benefits humanity as a whole. Open dialogue, transparency, and responsible innovation are essential to navigate this uncharted territory. Section 9. A Paradigm Shift: CL1 and the Future of Being Human. The arrival of CL1 marks a paradigm shift in our relationship with technology. For the first time, we have created a computing system that blurs the line between the digital and the biological. CL1 challenges us to rethink our understanding of intelligence, consciousness, and what it means to be human. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the human brain and integrate them into our technologies, we embark on a journey of unprecedented potential and unknown consequences. CL1 is not merely a technological marvel, it is a mirror reflecting our own humanity back at us. It compels us to confront fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the future we are creating. The story of CL1 is just beginning. It is a story of human ingenuity, scientific curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of biological computing, one thing is certain: the future of being human is inextricably intertwined with the future of the technologies we create.